Hi, how to set up and print as a Windows NT service on Windows 2019. Now this is using a fresh install of Windows 2019 Standard Edition. It's literally just been installed and Batch Print Pro has been installed on it. So this is a good test, see how it goes. So there's the setup. Now I've installed it. I haven't set it up yet. I'm going to monitor this folder here and print all the files. So I'll set that up quickly. Go into Directory Monitor Setup. So this is the folder I'm going to monitor. I'm going to set the seconds to 5. I'm going to test it first. So I'm going to select the printer here, which is that one. Add to monitor list. Save and exit. Now it should print those 3 files to that printer. Because it's a trial, it's going to do a pop-up. Don't worry about that. In service mode, it will run for an hour. In try mode, so you can see it's printing the first file, second, the third. So that's done okay. So I'm going to clear that. So now I'm going to run it as NT service. I can just quickly go into NT service setup. Now I want to set it to use as current user, and then type in the password. Save and exit. I want to deactivate monitoring. I just want to run it as a service. It will automatically activate monitoring when you run it as a service. So start of a service, start NT service. So check that's running. You can right mouse task manager. If you show all details, you'll be able to see BPP NT service running there, and another Batch and Print Pro. You should also switch to config mode there. So I just need to quickly clear the logs because I printed it once before, and then it should start printing out, which it is doing. This is the service that's printed it now. You can see the CPU percentage of that process there. So that's all done. Now if for some reason the service doesn't start, the first time you go into View Services, go into Batch and Print Pro, go into Log On. If you type the information in there, the first time it pops up with a grant this service to run. Once you've done that once, you won't need it to again. It will automatically do it. It's just the first time. It's something Microsoft introduced in Windows 2016, I think it was. Don't know why, it's just an extra step. And that's it. That's now running. So you can add another file in there. So I'm going to rename one of these to VJBB. So you can see that's now printed there. And that's it, how to run as Windows NT service on Windows 2019.